Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Marina 50 air pump for aquariums. Up to 60 liters. Woo, 60 liter is a small aquarium for beginners. You can see the aquarium underneath here in the video. It is the beginner's size. So this is the first step. You have the technology, a filter, etc. installed, gravel, etc. A little bit of plants, some fishes inside your aquarium. Then you will more because the fishes need more. They want a little bit of bubbling inside. It looks awesome and it makes oxygen goes into the water. Yeah, for that we can use an air pump. Yes, and this air pump is cheap and nice because it comes with rubber feet. As you can see, it looks like a mouse. The Marina air pump is a quiet running pump that has a sound dampening pump cover and soft rubber feet to suppress the vibrations. Reliable with powerful airflow, durable, long-lasting diaphragm for use with air stones, bubble walls, air-powered ornaments, or protein skimmers. It is a single outlet model. That means one wire is required. The 50 and the 75 and the 100 and 300, there is more volume on the market, as you can see. We choose the little one. This is the 50 version. The double outlets is for model 200, for example, if you'd like 2 wires of them, because you will need more than one pump. You will need an air pump, tubing air pump accessory for the fish tank too. Inside this package, you will get a bubble ball, as you can see. This is nice. It's a bubbles. It comes, or it contains the bubbles which comes out of the air pump, and it makes so nice stone bubbling thing on it. It looks really awesome, and it is compatible with that air pump here. Of course, you will need more. You will need a set of accessories for it and standard airline tubing. This is impossible. It's in standard. You will need that to bring the air from your pump into the tank. And then after you are inside the tank, you use it to get it into a stone, for example. This is a bubble release air stone, for example, okay? Then we need check valves. The one-way check valve is really important too, that no water rinses back to the air pump. This is so important. You have to buy this separately. And it's important too, the safety, that no water coming back to your pumping system, of course. But if you have this, a tube and the good old check valve, the one-way check valve, this is important, and the tube and a stone, for example. Then you're ready. That's enough. Of course, you can use a valve hub for it to flow sensor setup. It's optionally, of course, but it's enough to buy a Marina 50 air pump and this valve, and of course the stone to make a better nice optical thing inside your tank. And optionally is this valve hub. There comes the air comes into one area of the hub, and then you can separate it to 2 different tubes. That make it possible that you can install it into your tank with 2 bubble spots. But this is optional. But it looks awesome too. The Marina 50 air pump combines high performance output with quiet operation. It's a reliable source of air for increasing water movement and turbulence for proper oxygenation, and can also be used to operate items such as an air stone or an air curtains and air actuated ornaments, etc. It's ideal for aquariums up to 15 United States gallons. These are 60 liters. It comes with a single outlet output, and it will travel 50 liter per hours, 800 cc per minute. You will get the pump, and the other things what you can see in that video is optional, but you will need the pump and the tube. These two things you have to buy separately, and then you can start and have fun with your fishes. And of course, you can have fun with your bubbles inside your tank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.